How's it going, everybody? Mike from M2 Motoring here. Welcome back to the channel and vlog. On today's episode, we're not going to be talking about the Hyundai Veloster. Actually, what we're going to go over is one of the special order items that we've received for one of our customers. This item has taken 6 months to get here, and it's been a very, very patient process for everybody involved. And here it is. This huge box here. If any of you have ever ordered anything online or any large car parts, you can only imagine, or you pretty much know what this should be. Huey is on his way here to check out his new product, and we'll be helping him haul it home for him and whatnot, but he wants to be the one to unbox, unwrap, and everything. So he'll be here in just a few minutes, and we'll go ahead and check back in. And as soon as I cut the camera, I hear his car from 2 blocks away. There he is. There's Huey. And he's doing all that parking just so that I'm gonna make him pull in the driveway in like 5 minutes. Hey, for once he didn't air down. What's up? Ready to see your new toys?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Alright, everybody, if you haven't met Huey yet, here he is.
What's up, guys?
He's, pretty much one of the buddies that hang out here. So this is the giant, huge box that we're not gonna take back to your house because it's just ridiculously huge and it's only half filled. Alright, now that Huey's got the Genesis Coupe parked in the garage, we're going to go ahead and mock up and tape on some of the parts to see how that looks. So we have the wide body kit just taped on just to kind of get an idea what it looks like in person. Obviously the car needs to come apart for this to install correctly, but just looking from how wide the rear is and seeing how we're going to rebarrel and rebuild the wheels, it's going to have a massive lip on the rear and a pretty sizable one up front compared to what it has now. Obviously can't really tell how the fitment is until we get the side skirt off and really fit stuff, which I'm not going to do today. Today was just a quick mock-up and unboxing for Huey. Pretty excited to get this done.
Yeah, super excited.
Cool. So here's the rest of the parts. Didn't bother mocking up the rear diffuser or the front lip. There's no need, but I'm pretty excited to help Huey get this car done and get it, you know, to where he wants it to be. So check back in later on this project once we get some more updates. Thanks again for tuning in. As always, M2 Motoring, there's a website, and if you want to follow Huey and his build, there's his Instagram.